Good evening. I'm going to make a bold claim. The future of music is being built without most of the world's music. And I say that because the populations of the global south, the Middle East, South Asia, Africa, total over 5 billion people. But yet the musical styles only represent about 6% of the audio training data powering open weight models. And we believe in preserving these beautiful traditions as we navigate the future of music and the way that music creators interact with them. And let me show you an example of what I mean. With a current leading generative model, if I wanted something that adhered to microtonality and Arabic Maqam, which we're going to focus on today, it currently produces something like this. So there's no microtonality here, and there's no Maqam adherence, and obviously it's not a solo. Basically sounds like it's out of an Aladdin film. However, at Motif, we're intending to solve this in two ways. Leveraging a pilot Middle Eastern data set that we own and expert annotations associated with it, we decided to do two things: produce a fine-tuned model and a DAW plugin powered by this model. So we decided to fine-tune Stable Audio 3 with a LoRa adapter and several experimentational phases. And what we ended up getting was that I could now restyle an audio input that I'm performing as a Maqam violinist into a different instrument, like the Arabic Kawala, sounding like this. This was the initial audio input. Then leveraging the Ableton SDK, it allowed our plugin to create a new track and apply that generated audio within Ableton, which then sounded like this. So there is Maqam adherence now. There is microtonality embedded within it as well, and greater instrument fidelity as well. We then did another feature which was append, and that was replacing specific portions within the audio within the context of the actual audio itself, and we decided to use a qanun example, which sounds like this, with microtonality, reflecting Maqam adherence. Keep that instrument in mind. I also wanted to mention that we're also authoring some proprietary research and designing new evaluation metrics to appreciate the nuances associated with microtonality and Maqam. And to round it off with a jovial spirit, we cooked up this multicultural banger all in Ableton using our model and plugin, which sounds like this, thanks to Ricky. So we sampled the qanun and all its Maqam systems together. So that's our Motif. We're making every musical culture AI ready. Thank you.